How to add payment method on Booking.com. Are you trying to add a payment method on Booking.com for faster and secure bookings? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Booking.com account, and once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu, click on My Account. Inside the My Accounts tab, scroll down and click on Payment Methods. Now, click on Add Card right next to Payment Cards option. Go ahead and enter your card details. Enter your cardholder's name, the card number, and the expiry date for the card. Finally, click on Save. You can also alternatively add a payment method while selecting a hotel. On the checkout page, you can enter your payment methods directly. So that way you will be able to add a payment method in your Booking.com account. Now you're ready to book faster and hassle-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.